Hey everyone, happy Sunday, happy Father's Day to all you fathers, grandfathers, father figures out there. I hope you're enjoying your Sunday. I wanted to share just a quick video with you all today to show you how I made peppermint extract yesterday. It's so easy to make peppermint extract for baking. I'm using mine for homemade toothpaste that I'll have a future video on. But I basically harvested most of my mint plant. It's a fairly new young plant, but I harvested about a half a cup of mint leaves. You remove the leaves from the stem, give them a good wash, just pat them dry. And again, I used about a half a cup of the mint leaves. I put those in my pint-sized mason jar with about a cup and a quarter of vodka. I'm using Tito's. It is a gluten-free vodka, and I researched it, and it seems to be non-GMO as well, but you can use any type of vodka. And I put that in my jar, swished it around. It needs to sit for about 10 days. The longer you let this sit, shake it up each day, the less alcohol smell it will have, and the more mint smell and flavor it will have. So right now this smells like mouthwash actually, but it's only been 2 days, so I'm just going to set this in a cool dark spot of the kitchen and we'll see what happens, and I'll get back to you to share more with you. I'll be using this again in my homemade toothpaste recipe that I will have here in a couple weeks. I just wanted to show you real quick. I'm back inside now, but my pint-sized mason jar is only about a third of the way full. And again, it smells just like mouthwash right now, and I'm going to let it sit for about 10 days. Shake it up every now and again. Keep it in a cool, dark spot. But thank you guys for watching. I'll have a future video on homemade toothpaste, some vanilla extract that I have sitting over here in the corner. And again, thank you for watching. I hope you all have a good week. If you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.